Hi, I'm Ben. We're back in the barn bar. So I'm Ben, the bartender in the barn bar. Boy, I can barely say that. Okay, so today we're going to make Pimm's cups. It's Friday after all, so it's like 10 a.m. So this is like a British sangria, or it kind of can be. I'm sure that's not right, but that's kind of how I think of it. I love this drink. You can also make it by the pitcher. Maybe it's a little early in the day for that. Maybe it's not. We'll see how this goes. So, real simply, you need, so there's two versions of it we're going to make. One is with some sparkling lemonade and the Pimm's, and just kind of an assortment of, we've got mint, strawberries, cucumber, some oranges, some lemons. You can kind of put in whatever you want. So, cup, put some ice in it. You got 1 part Pimm's, give or take. 3 parts lemonade. Making a mess. Give it a little stir. Maybe not exactly the right size glass for those portions. Throw a little mint in, a couple cucumbers. Oops, maybe not that one. Alright, get those down in there. Good. Now we can put on our CBD. Just like last week, both the natural and the mango are pretty good. I'm going to put the natural on for this one. 10 to 15 milligrams seems to be the sweet spot, especially if you're going to have more than one. So I'm going to go with 10. Just drop it on the top. Good. And a couple straws. Maybe a garnish just for fun. Stick this guy in here. Good. Okay. There's one. That simple. Okay. The next one doesn't use the lemonade. So take your glass and your mint. And this one uses a little simple syrup, which I have somewhere. So we're going to put in a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. Okay. Now we want to muddle that a little bit. Okay. And then we're going to add the Pimm's, and we are going to go with 2 ounces of Pimm's in this particular drink. And some lemon juice. We're going to go with about 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Okay. I don't have the ice in there yet. It's just easier to kind of stir this little mess around before putting the ice in there. But you can put the ice in first if you want. Now we're going to add some ice. Okay. This one, we are going to put a little ginger beer on the top. Okay. And then same drill. Garnish it however you feel like it. We'll put maybe a cucumber, a little mint, and a couple straws. And then, we almost forgot the important part. We'll put 10 milligrams or so of CBD on. And that's it. Done. So that's 2 different Pimm's cups. Hope you enjoy them. Have a nice Friday.